tech lovers, are you wondering, do you want to open an Amazon associate? You want to become an Amazon influencer? Then you need to watch this video to the end, okay? We gonna, I know you will gain something from it. So watch till the end, and for you to become an Amazon associate, there are rules and regulations, which I've already done a video on. If you don't want to be banned from Amazon, okay, you need to follow these guidelines. I'm going to put the link. After watching this video to the end, you watch that one so that you will know your boundaries with Amazon. They are very strict, okay? So in this video, I'm just going to be giving you step by step on how you are going to sign up for your Amazon associate, okay? So without any further ado, let us dive straight to the main tutorials for today. Thank you. So as you all know, a lot of us go to Amazon to buy a lot of stuff, especially the buy baby stuff, especially if you are a very good shopper, you like to spend this money. You just go to Amazon, you go there, you purchase. Why not tell people around you to use your link instead? If you know you have such a person, okay, then you need to sign up for this Amazon class, the Amazon associate I want to put in this video. Just sign up and you can work anywhere, and you would see the progress. I have other videos, okay? Just go there and watch it. Also, this Amazon, if you are very consistent, after signing up, okay, we are going to go into it very soon, okay? After signing up for the Amazon associate, you'll be given 180 days to sell at least 3 products. Pere, just 3 products. But you can sell more. I'm not saying you should not sell more. Just for you to get approved inside Amazon associates. Because you have to work hard. This Amazon is not for the lazy. You know that. It's not for the lazy. So if you are lazy, please stop watching this video. Thank you. But if you are hardworking, continue watching, okay? And you will see that Amazon actually pays. But you have to work hard though, as I said, because their commission is little. But if you work hard and you get a lot of people and you choose a niche, if you choose a niche and you're consistent with it, you will see the results. Another important thing I need to mention before we go to the signing up of Amazon associate is you need to choose if you want to use a social media handle or you want to use your blog. Okay, you need to choose. You need to decide the one you want. Do you want YouTube? Do you want to start with YouTube? I started with YouTube. Do you want Instagram? Because they're going to ask you for the link, and they're going to check your account. They will check your YouTube channel. And for you to get approved, okay, during this process, right, you would need to be in the YouTube partnership program, or you have 1,000 subscribers. Because when I started initially, I got disapproved. I wasn't approved. You know why? Because as at then, I just started YouTube and I had just 37 subscribers. So I was disqualified. If you want to know the full video, I'll put the link in the description box. Okay? And if you are using your blog to promote this affiliate product, you need to post at least 10 products, and people must buy from your blog to get approved. I'm just telling you this ahead of time so that you will not just sign up and go and sleep. You need to sign up for this Amazon associate and start working hard. And you can also post on Medium. That video is for another day. Okay? So, like this video, subscribe, share out, Tell a friend to tell a friend, and let's go straight to my laptop. Thank you. So, tech lovers, you must have Amazon accounts. If you don't have Amazon account, then you need to sign up for an Amazon account. So, if you scroll down from top, if you scroll down, I scroll down. This is my Amazon. Then I scroll down like this. You're going to see this place called Make Money with Us. Okay, then you come to become an athlete. So now it's telling us recommend products, earn and commission. Okay, so now I'm going to do for US, because though I'm in Canada, I need to create a link from US because most of I have most of my people watching my videos are in the US, and some people, if I give them Canada link, they're always like, "Oh, I can't purchase using your Canada link." So you can do for US, UK. If you're in Germany, France, you can see from here. You can see, but Nigeria, I don't know. Nigeria is not there. Let me see. Is Nigeria there? Let's see if Nigeria is there. How do I go? If you are watching this video and you're in Nigeria, you can still sign up for this Amazon Associate, and you would just go to US. You put US as your country to get started. Okay. So now you sign up. We click on sign up, and so this is my account. This is my address. I'm going to be blocking this place. This is my address. If you want to put a different address, you can click a different address. Then you go next. And I'm going to be putting my website here. You can either put your website or you put your YouTube channel. You can put it here. So I will go to my YouTube and put my link here. Or your website. If you have a blog, you put the blog here. So you will need to add any of these, your either your website or mobile app. Okay, we don't have a mobile app, so I'm just going to add. I just added my YouTube channel, and you click enter. So then you go to the next level. Are any of the traffic source listed above directly under at the age of under 13? These traffic sources are not eligible. No, we don't have people under 13. No, confirm. So what is your preferred associate? So you give yourself a name. You can use your nickname, right? You can use your nickname, and you can also use any of your names. So I'm going to use TechwithBunmi. I'm going to use TechwithBunmi. Okay. Then it will now ask, tell us about the content you create, like online businesses. I will just put a rough thing. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video. I create content on online business, and tech review. Okay. Then this place you can fill in anything, like which one of the following best describe you. Is it a blog? I'm going to click on blog. Yeah. Content and niche website. No, I'm going to click on blog. Okay. How did you hear about us? Right? Word of the mouth or from Amazon.com website. I can put online search. Okay. And you put this here. It's going to put RP7NMT. Then you agree to the terms and condition of Amazon, and you continue. So now I think what it did is because I have um an Amazon associate or associates with Canada, it linked my account, so it didn't ask me too much questions. Okay, so basically this is how to go about it, and it gave me my associates link. Okay, so now I can I can now promote US to the US people. Okay, so basically, I think because I have an account. So basically, if you have another, if you are new on Amazon, just follow the procedures. It's so easy. Okay, thank you. Can see here it says in the meantime you have been created the full access to associates central 24 hours a day. If your affiliate link have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, your application and access to associate central will be withdrawn. Don't get don't get left out of this conversation. Follow associates of Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn and Twitter. We share tips for tutorials. So you can see that what I said in this video is correct. So now let's go to my mail. So this is the email they sent me. This is similar. This is what you're going to see after signing up for it, right? Then you scroll down and you get started. Okay, you start promoting, advertise product on your site. Customers follows the link from Amazon, earn up to 10% when they buy. Okay, so and this is it. Your Amazon associate profile is set up, and they are just two steps left until you can be fully accepted in the program. Can you see? So now let's get started. Okay, so this is for our US. Before you can, we can, this for the tax. This is the product link. This is how you're going to be, this is what you'll be checking. Okay, this is your back end. And now you can even make money from bounties. Okay, so I can now start creating products from here. Let me see if I can get a products link. Let's click here. So these are some of the products I can sell. I can click on this, right? And clicking on this, it says that is a thermostat enhanced work. Okay, and let's click on this to be specific, and that enhanced work with Alessi. So you can do a text, you can do an image, okay, and you can do text and image. And even if you do this, if you do text alone, this is the link you will be selling, right? And this is your store, okay, and you start promoting. I hope you gained something from this video. Come to the end of this video. I hope you gained something from it. Are you going to sign up for this Amazon Associate program? Thank you for watching. And if you have any other questions you need to ask me, comment below, ask your questions, and I will be there reading your comments or reading your questions to answer. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to watch or like this video, subscribe, and share it out. And most importantly, please join the tech family by subscribing to this channel. Okay? So see you in my next video. Bye for now. Cheers.